Hi guys, in today's video, Globe Gamer here, and today we're going to do the Sparrow strat. Enjoy the video. We got two chihuahuas and a hummingbird. We got fully countered. Literally my video. Literally my video to an animation with two pigs and a ferret that just kills them both. Okay? Please don't counter me. Okay. This feels scary, but we draw here. We combine the chihuahuas. We got capybara. We got guinea pig. We got kiwi. That seems like a decent turn. Worldwider ginger. We win this time. Let's go. I really like capybara, man. Combine, roll. Orangutan. Yes. Another guinea pig. We have against Twiggy Stardust. We don't have strawberries, but we still win. Let's go. We sell, we buy, we go donkey. And then we got two orangutans. We go donkey. Look, it's Ezewed. Oh. Dude, Chihuahua value is insane. Chihuahua value is insane there. Insane there for a tier 1. We draw here. I think we draw there because of the Chihuahua. The insane Chihuahua value. We get Sparrow, yes. I feel like Sparrow is so good because like you can get 5 melons. Even though it's very situational, you can still get 5 melons. Like look at that. Just one half melon is already pretty good. Another one. We level up to a hamster. Yeah, we freeze the hamster. I don't know why. I should have taken the lollipop there. I don't know what I was thinking. We still lose here. They just have too much stats. You take another one. Another Sparrow for next turn. Get countered yet again. Your elephant blowfish doesn't work on me, man. Ibex, yes. Ibex Chihuahua is also one of my favorite ideas in this new star pack. Look at this. Boom! Remove 70% of health. Now I win. Dude. Just getting Ibex there was a total game changer. Level 2 Sparrow, of course. Dude, now we have 4 melons. 4. Get wrecked? I am laughing so hard right now. Your blowfishes doesn't matter to me. We still win. We're dominating. Piranha. Strawberry. Hot dog. Oh my god. We're up against Worldwider again. Get wrecked. Get wrecked again. Dude. Why is Sparrow too OP, man? What is in the sub developers' minds when they thought of this pet? Like, it's literally 5 melons get wrecked. Look at this. It's literally 5 melons if you have a strawberry, man. Oh my god, look at this. Boom! Get wrecked. Your big unit gets wrecked. Yep, you just win. Oh, let's go. Full strawberry team. Full strawberry team. Sparrow literally feels like, what is it called? Sparrow literally feels like a former, I forgot the name of the pet. Former Shubel. Because of how good it is. Like, look at this. And it works on itself too. So that's the end of the video. Bye!